Imagine if every time you jogged, lifted weights, or danced like nobody was watching, your brain was quietly remodeling itself, like a construction crew working behind the scenes. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Every drop of sweat, every beat of your racing heart actually helps reshape your brain in ways that make you think faster, feel happier, and even learn better. Crazy part: most people have no idea this is happening. Let's start with what scientists call neuroplasticity. It's a fancy word that basically means your brain is a living, changing thing, not a fixed lump of gray matter. Think of it like clay: moldable, flexible, capable of changing its shape based on what you do, feel, and experience. And one of the most powerful tools to shape that clay, you guessed it, exercise. So, what exactly is going on in your head when you move your body? When you exercise, whether it's running a mile, shooting hoops, or just doing jumping jacks, your heart rate increases. That sends more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your brain. It's like watering a thirsty plant. But instead of just keeping it alive, you're helping it grow. Inside your brain, there's something called BDNF, short for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as brain fertilizer. When you exercise, your brain releases more of it. And what does this fertilizer do? It helps your brain grow new neurons. Those are the tiny cells that send and receive information. More neurons mean better brain power, sharper memory, faster thinking, even improved focus in class. Here's the wild part. Studies have shown that just 20 minutes of movement can start to boost your brain. It's like turning on a switch. Your mood lifts, your anxiety drops, and your ability to concentrate kicks into high gear. So when your gym teacher says it's time to move, they're actually giving your brain a boost, not just your muscles. Now let's go deeper, literally. There's a part of your brain called the hippocampus. It's shaped kind of like a seahorse and plays a huge role in memory and learning. Scientists have discovered that exercise actually makes the hippocampus grow. Yep, you heard that right. Working out can make a part of your brain physically larger. That means better memory, like remembering what you studied for that bio test, and easier learning. And here's something that'll surprise you. Exercise doesn't just help your brain in the moment. It builds long-term changes. Think of it like practicing a new language. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Your brain builds new pathways, new connections, and starts to rewire itself so that thinking, focusing, and even handling stress becomes easier over time. But wait, there's more. Your brain is also packed with chemicals called neurotransmitters. These are like little messengers that carry signals between brain cells. Some of them make you feel alert, others make you feel calm. One superstar among them is dopamine. It's the feel-good chemical that gives you that awesome rush when you accomplish something. Exercise increases dopamine levels, which means you feel more motivated, more energized, and just plain happier after a good workout. And don't forget serotonin, another brain chemical that helps regulate mood. It's one reason why regular exercise can be as effective as medication for some people with depression or anxiety. Your brain is literally rewarding you for moving. But the coolest part? The more consistently you move, the more your brain adapts. It's like training a muscle. Over time, your brain gets better at releasing those good chemicals, forming new connections, and managing stress. You're not just improving your body, you're upgrading your brain. Now, you might be wondering, do you have to run marathons or live at the gym to get these benefits? Not even close. You don't need to be a fitness fanatic. A brisk walk, a bike ride, a game of soccer, even dancing around your room counts. As long as your body's moving and your heart's pumping, your brain is changing. For the better. And here's something kind of mind-blowing. In people who exercise regularly, scientists have found that their brains actually light up differently during problem-solving tasks. They're more efficient, less stressed, better at filtering out distractions. Basically, their brains are like well-tuned engines. humming smoothly, ready for anything. Think about that for a second. Every workout, every step, every drop of sweat. It's not just shaping your body, it's sculpting your brain, rewiring it to be stronger, faster, more focused, and more emotionally balanced. So the next time you don't feel like working out, remember this. Your brain is counting on you. It's not just about fitness or looking good, it's about giving your mind the tools it needs to grow, thrive, and handle whatever life throws your way. Because every time you move your body, you move your brain forward.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.